In the wind industry, bird protection and operational efficiency are key challenges. In particular, wind farms can affect the protection of birds and their populations, especially endangered species. At Minsait, we offer an innovative solution to address this challenge. Our technology based on 3D radar and computer vision monitors the entire airspace of the wind farm, allowing us to detect and track birds. The radar commands the camera, which identify the family and species, calculating the risk of collision in real time. In addition, we can make precise decisions to slow down or stop turbines when it detects a flight path coinciding with birds. The solution is able to generate heat maps identifying the wind turbines with more birds traffic. Thanks to our centralized system. As a result, we are able to minimize downtime in wind farm operations, comply with regulatory requirements for bird protection, and maximize energy production. Moving towards responsible, efficient, and innovative wind energy.